Willie, come here. Look what Grandma sent you. Whoa, what's in that box? Oh my goodness. Does it smell like Grandma? Oh my gosh, what's in there? Oh, cool. Look at that. You got some bones and some toys. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Willie, can you say thank you? What do you think? Yummy. Oh, you're going to take the bone out first. Thank you, Grandma. Willie, come here. Look at this. You got a little crinkle toy. It's your favorite. It's just like your butterfly. Come here, Willie. Wow, that's cool, huh? You remember your butterfly. It was your favorite toy. Oh my gosh, and what is that? It's a little blue bone. Cool. Wow, look at this one, Willie. Willie, look at this one. It squeaks too. Wow, cool. What are you doing with your bones, huh? What are you doing? Oh, it's kind of dark. It's kind of dark. We'll move it this way. Turn the light on. Say thanks, Grandma. I'm going to go play with my bone now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.